Good evening, everybody. David here at Scale Models Midwest. Welcome back to the workbench. Getting ready to pack things up for the night and start bright and early tomorrow. But I wanted to kind of show you what I've gotten done. As you see from the picture, I've got the chassis mocked up with the tires. I have to glue these on, the pieces together, and then I'll put decals on that to be able to get that all taken care of. The interior, I'm ready to put the roll cage in once I get the rest of the bars put together, but I wanted to show you the ignition box. Those wires coming out, I looked at that from Wayne Stevens's build and some other builds I saw online. Didn't go as detailed as they did, but I just wanted to have some fun with that. I went to Harbor Freight earlier in the week and I picked these up because they were in one of the car model magazines from a couple months back, and for $6-7 you've got two packages. There's like 20 drill bits, from really tiny all the way to the thickest one here in the brown, but I use the yellow ones to do some of the holes I was drilling here. Again, working on the chassis. I still have to clean up the back end there. The battery, I'll be putting that in place here, as you see that. Once that's in place, underneath I got the rear end in place. Looked pretty good. I was going to go with the turned aluminum part for the rear end, but changed my mind. Decided to go with the kit part. Just some detail that I figure I'll do for a later kit. Front end, got that pretty much in place. Just need to weather it just a little bit, but otherwise it went together pretty well. I think ultimately when I get the roll cage here finished and some paint touch-ups as well as some detail, I'll get that on the chassis, and then I'll mate it to the body and start putting the rest of the kit together. Right now I've got the window glass drying with some Mod Podge and some tape to hold it in place, and yeah, it's starting to come together. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can get accomplished tomorrow. Maybe Monday and Tuesday I can have a lot more of the kit done, and who knows, I might just have the decals on there. So just wanted to show you what I had. Hope you're having a great weekend, and we will catch you in the next video.